My name is Rigaud, and I'm the general manager of Halus Power Systems, and we've been in business almost 20 years now, about 12 of those right here in San Leandro. We supply mid-size wind turbines to make power for various businesses around the country. Our clients are all over the U.S., not so much in the Bay Area, but from coast to coast and up to Alaska as well. And the turbines we supply provide power for businesses, for schools, for military bases, for villages in Alaska. We have a whole assortment of commercial clients that would like to get electricity from a wind turbine. We've been here for 12 years and we have 6 employees. We've had up to 12, 15, depends. With the pandemic, we've have a little bit of a lower head count, but currently at 6. So what we do at Halus is remanufacture wind turbines. This turbine was originally manufactured in Denmark, and it'll power about 25 houses. We got this from Denmark, we get it to our shop, we do a complete teardown of the unit, we add hundreds of new parts, we also make new control systems, and when the turbine is ready, it can be shipped to an end user. It could be a farm, it could be a manufacturing business. So a lot of the components are mechanical. There's a braking system, there are sensors that control what the turbine does when it's connected to the grid. These are all torn down and rebuilt. There's bearings in here. There's a gearbox that has gears, pinions, bearings inside it. Then there's electric drives that turn the machine, so the machine will rotate and face the wind to produce electricity. And the generators are in the back of the machine. These are what spin when the blades are connected to a windy location, and the power will come down the tower. This control system will be at the base of the tower actually and be grid connected, and it will feed power into the grid. Once this turbine is completely remanufactured with the new parts added, it's ready to ship. We also have blades, we have towers, those are in the yard. The complete system is this turbine head, which is called a nacelle, the control system, the tower, and the blades. And they all combine to make the complete wind turbine that gets assembled in the field. After the turbine gets shipped to the location, we will usually travel, meet the turbine on site, assist with the installation of the turbine. Prior to that, the design build would have happened, so there would be a foundation that's required. There'll be electrical works that are required to get the conduit and the electrical infrastructure put in place so that the turbine can be connected. So there's a lot of background work that goes into a project on site, which happens before it ships. So once the turbine ships, presumably the site's ready, the turbine can be installed in a relatively short time and connected to the grid. One of the great things about being located in San Leandro is that we are surrounded by a lot of machine shops and a lot of suppliers. We have been using machine shops in Oakland and to the south a little bit in Fremont, so they're both very easy to get to. And there are a lot of suppliers in the area. Even the motors are done right here in San Leandro by Koffler Electric. They help us with that. So even right in San Leandro, we have vendors that we use. So being in this area is actually a pretty central location in the Bay Area to have good supply of mostly machine shops that we need, but other suppliers as well. So one of the things about working with these turbines, there are so many parts, mechanical parts, electrical parts, fiberglass parts, that we never get bored here because we're always doing different types of work. And it's one of the things that I really like, and I think the people that work here like as well, is that variety in the work. There's never the same thing twice, really, when we're rebuilding machines that have thousands of components in them. So at the moment, we would be open to one entry-level shop technician position, somebody good with tools, power tools, hand tools, usually a good type of a background. Since most people haven't already worked with wind turbines, that's not essential.